Are you struggling to manage customer relationships effectively? Customer relationships are the heart of any successful business. Without proper management, interactions can become chaotic and unproductive. Pipedrive CRM offers an intuitive platform that enhances customer engagement and streamlines operations. Experience seamless lead management, automated workflows, and insightful reporting at your fingertips. Boost your sales pipeline by 93%, reduce closing time by 46%, and increase deal value by 21%. What makes Pipedrive stand out? Our AI-powered features intelligently analyze sales activities, providing personalized recommendations to enhance productivity. Ready to transform your customer relationships? Start your journey with Pipedrive today. Visit our website to learn more and take the first step towards better sales success. Don't wait. Optimize your customer management now.